Hey guys, welcome back to Delph Stack, and today I will be showing you how to make Instagram bio multiple lines. So, to do this process, first is you could just simply go ahead and open up the Instagram application into your device. Now, once you are here, to make your Instagram bio multiple lines, of course, go to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you will have an option over here, edit profile. So go ahead and tap on it. And here on the edit profile, you will have the bio. So tap on the bio over here. So now from here, of course, go ahead and provide the first line. So let's say I'm going to go for subscribe. And after that, if I want to make another line, you would just simply go ahead and select the enter over here at the bottom right corner of the screen. And the text will go down. And I'm going to go for the second word. I'm going to go for the second word. For example, I'm going to go for like. And now just simply tap on the enter again. And I'm going to go for the third word, which is share. So pretty much you could add up to 150 words. And if you don't have the enter key on your keyboard, you could just simply select the one, two, three at the bottom left. Sometimes the key enter will be over here. So pretty much that will be depending on your keyboard. So from here, you can change it based on your personal preferences and add as many as you like. And you can add up to a maximum of 150 words. Once you are done, select the check at the top right corner. And now guys, when we go to our profile, it will look something like this, as you can see over here. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.